Hi, my name's Nathan Garland. I'm the product manager here for hydraulic hose and connectors at Motion Fluid Power Solutions. Today, we're going to introduce you to our new Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshop. Let's go and take a look. The Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshop offers a complete solution for on-site hydraulic hose assembly, complete with storage cabinetry, and can be up-spec'd to include enclosed cabinetry to give customers the ability to manufacture hydraulic hose assemblies that are free of contamination. Optional air conditioning and data boxes for internet access in remote locations. Our galvanized steel bench tops with recessed hose channels offer a complete solution for measuring and making hose assemblies. Internal air lines for internal air supply connected to the external or recessed compressor option. The Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshop comes fully equipped with assembly equipment including crimper, hose cutoff saws, workbenches, hose reel rollers, and air lines. Motion offer a complete range of additional optional accessories for the mobile workshops, including spill kits and PPE equipment. The Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshops are fitted with panic bars and additional personal access doors for an additional egress for safety. Mobile workshops come fitted with both fire blankets and fire extinguishers for additional safety. Workshops come complete with internal insulated exhaust fans to ensure extraction and safety. The cutters contained within the mobile workshops will only work if the extractor is turned on. Larger capacity containers can be upscaled to include testing equipment if required. Tiered options are available, offering both 20-foot and 40-foot options with multiple specifications throughout. Mobile workshops have been fitted with both single-phase and three-phase power points, giving customers the option for both. Additional power points have been fitted in their mobile workshop so that customers have the ability to work remotely. The Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshop comes fully equipped and can be upscaled as required to include multiple product ranges, including both a Gates matched hose and fitting system and an Exit Flex matched hose and fitting system. Mobile workshops come complete with hose reel holders to ensure that your workshop is kept safe and tidy. The Motion Fluid Power Solutions mobile workshop is the perfect tool to increase your site productivity. Reach out to our team at Motion today.